Hi, my name is Haruna Baffa Lawan. I'm the president of Skyline University Nigeria Student Representative Council. I joined Skyline in 2019 and it's been a very big, marvelous experience for me so far, being in the fourth year, my final year as an undergraduate here of Economics Department. My first few days here as a student were very educative and interactive with the professors. I enjoyed my first interaction with my professor, Dr. Shahid Khan, where we talked about globalization, and up till today, I still remember those days. As you can see, this used to be my favorite place to come when I was in level 1, because of the e-resources I used via the Koha platform. Being a student of Skyline University Nigeria has been quite thrilling, educative, and enlightening. I learned to do so many things even before becoming the president of the student council. I joined so many competitions, planned so many events. One of those events is the Cultural Day, which is an annual event that brings all cultures together here at Skyline University Nigeria. Thank you, Skyline. I'm proud to be a Skyliner, and I hope I make the school proud after I graduate.